Hi and welcome to my channel, Hisame Artwork. So I got my hands on a Legion keyboard because I hear they're very reliable and durable, plus for what they do and how long they last I think the price is okay. I really love the feel and sound of it, but as you can see it's way too big for my baby hands. I much prefer the size of my geezer cat keyboard. I can live with without the numpad. Also more room for my cats to sleep on my desk while I'm working. So the keyboard is LED RGB, rainbow, or solid color. The keys are injection see-through and just listen to that sound. Nice. Obviously it's not cat chewing proof. If your cat is crazy, it will electrocute itself by chewing on the wires. Hopefully this will last longer than my CM Storm. Power cable on that one broke many times. Not the cat's fault, my fault. I don't know why I always manage to do that. So in conclusion, the Legion keyboard, I'm happy, it looks good, feels good, sounds good, the price is okay where I am in East Europe. Let's see how long it will last me though. If you want a follow-up video or reviews on my other stuff, let me know in the comments below. Like and sub if you found this useful and wish to support me. Cheers. Bye bye.